Hello, this is the video explanation of the posted exercises on TikTok. So again, this is all about the law of sines, cosines. So this is our first item. So we are asked to express the given, So we are asked again to express the given values by applying the law of sine. So again, for a review, when we talk about the law of sine, so that is just given by A. For a while, it's gonna side A over sine alpha. Alright, and then that is equal to B over sine beta, and again that is equal to C over sine gamma. Alright, so in this example we are given the side A, and then the angle beta, and then the angle the side C. So how are we going to express this one again using the law of sine? So basically we will have what, 24 over 5, 24.5 over the sine alpha. Where is that? So far this is our two options. Alright, let's change the so again, by far this is our two options. Now let's continue. We have B over sine beta. So where is that? We know that the value of beta is 43. So basically, letter A is our answer. Alright, because in this example, again, beta is not expressed. Actually, we are given this value. So again, A will be our correct answer. Next item. We have this. So again, let's try to rewrite that one. We have A over sine alpha equals B over sine beta, and then C over sine, let's say, gamma. So again, we have alpha, we have the beta, and then we have the gamma. So basically, all of the three angles are defined. So we should look at denominators whose angles are defined. So we have this, this. And actually all of the denominators here are defined, but we are going to look at, or to locate the proper values of each angle. So we have, again, alpha is 36. So we have, this is not 36. This 2 is our viable options. Alright, so we have alpha A over sine 36 degree. But what about our next B over 67 degrees? So this is this. So our answer, again, this is our answer. Next item. We have this. So again, remember, A over sine alpha is equal to B over sine beta, and then C over sine gamma. So again, in this example, the side A, B, and then the gamma are defined. So we should be looking at 1.4 over sine alpha. This is a good option. This is a good option, and this is also a good option. Let's proceed. We should be getting B, or 2.1 over sine beta. Where is that? This. Alright, this is wrong. And then this is also wrong, because again, that's 120. So therefore, this is our only option remaining. But we are going to test the angles. So we should have C over sine 120 degrees. But then again, we don't have that. So I think we have a what? A typo here. Let's try. I think we are having a typo. So again, the correct answer should be a over, no, that's not a, it's defined actually. So that should give us 1.4 over sine alpha equals 2.1 over sine beta, and then we have c over sine 120. Alright, so this should be our answer, and we cannot locate that one in our choices. Oh, I think it's letter B. It is being arranged in a different manner. So 1.4. Alright, so actually our answer is letter B. Alright, so again, maybe you're wondering why is it still correct? Even though again this part is written first, remember this is equal sign. So basically, you can write it this way: A equals 2 or 2 equals A. Alright, nothing will change, the same value. So again, this item, our answer should be letter B. Let's move on to cosine. So here, we are asked again to express our write the working equation to find the value of A. So we are looking for A, side A. Now remember, when we are looking for the side A of a triangle, using the cosine law or the law of cosine, we will have A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2, whatever is the side here, we have 2BC, and multiply it by the cosine of the angle opposite to this side, which is alpha. Alright, so in this example, our alpha is defined, which is 44.5 degrees. Our side B is defined, and our side C is also defined. So we are going to have our working equation should be, let me just write it here, we have A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared, that is what? That is 40.3 squared plus C squared, that is 25.7 squared, minus 2, and then multiplied by B times C. Our B again is 40.3, and then our C is 25.7, and multiply it by the cosine of the angle 44.5 degrees. So where can we find that? Actually, the answers are simplified, so we are going to solve for that one. So let's do this. Let me just grab the calculator. So we will have 40.3 squared plus 25.7 squared. That gives us what? This gives us 2284.58. Where can we find that? Alright, so actually, that is only in option A. So this will be our answer. Alright, but to check whether the rest of the numbers are correct, let's try. So again, we have that, and then we have 2BC. So basically, this will become 2BC. So we are going to multiply this by 2 again. So this will give us that 2071.42, which is correct, and then again cosine of the angle alpha, which is 44.5. So again, our answer is letter A. Let's have the next one, and then I think this is the last one. So we are looking for the value of C. So again, when we are looking for the side C, that is just given by C squared is equal to B squared plus, let me just write the A squared first. It doesn't really matter, but again, I would just like to follow the alphabet. So A squared plus B squared minus 2AB, and then the cosine of the opposite angle of C. For this example, again, we have gamma. Alright, so we'll do that. So C squared is equal to, what is our A? Our A is 4.5, so we have 4.5 squared plus our B is 6.3, so 6.3 squared minus 2 times 4.5 times 6.3, and then cosine of the angle 60 degrees. So again, let's try to grab our calculator to solve for the simplified values. So we have 4.5 squared plus 6.3 squared. That gives us what? That gives us 5994. Where can we find that? That's letter C actually. So this will be our answer, letter C. But again, we will continue with the solution just to check. Maybe we have a typo again. So that is multiplication, multiplied by 2. Alright, let's multiply and then 2 times that. Oops, I'm getting an error because of that. Alright, so that gives us 56.7, which is again this one. So again, our answer is letter C.